Hey guys, welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. It's always great to see you. I got another quick one for you today. We're gonna make one-eyed jacks. Here's what you'll need. We'll need some eggs, some diced ham, shredded cheddar, hashtag shredder, a little butter, and some big dinner rolls.
Of course, I forgot to show you that we'll be inviting salt and pepper along too. So, another quick one. It's great for a snack or a meal. In hindsight, I should have used a shot glass to remove the bread holes, but that's how it goes. Anyway, let's wash our hands and get the bread started. Slice the dinner rolls into 1-inch thick pieces. This will help to hold on to the mixture we pour into them. Then you want to cut a hole in the middle of each piece. See? Now, like I said before, it would likely have been much quicker if I had used a shot glass. Oh well, at least you get to see some cool time-lapse. Alright, it's time to drop the butter from on high. While that melts, grab the eggs, crack them into a bowl, and give them a good once-over. Toss in a little salt and a good amount of ground black pepper, and give it another whoosh-whoosh. Now dump in the diced ham, mix it in, and do the same with the shredder. By now, the butter should be done melting, so spread it around the pan to cover it. Fill it up with as many holy bread slices as you can, and fill those holes with the ham, egg, and cheese mix. Let them cook for a few minutes, then flip them over to do the same on the other side. Then shovel these little guys onto a plate, and there it is.
And that's how you make one-eyed jacks, which I'm really looking forward to getting into. For more recipes and videos like this, drop a like on this one. Better yet, subscribe to my channel. Just click on my face around here somewhere. This has been Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. See you next time. Dump in the diced ham.